Hello and welcome to JNK Studio. As the year 2024 approaches, maintaining organization is crucial for enhancing productivity. Embarking on a digital global organizational journey can prove to be an excellent idea for both personal and professional growth. Let's explore together the myriad possibilities offered by Notion. For those who are new here, a warm welcome and be sure to subscribe. Notion is an all-in-one workspace and collaboration platform. You can use it to take notes, create documents, build databases, manage tasks, and collaborate with others. The cool thing about Notion is that it's highly customizable, allowing you to structure and design your workspace the way you want. In this video, we will start with this ready-to-use template and delve into the possibilities that Notion presents to elevate your productivity, helping you become the best version of yourself in 2024. Planning your life has never been easier with Notion. The personal schedule feature allows you to schedule multiple plans from a single database and organize them by category and priority. The dashboard is hierarchical in different views to provide an overview of your current and upcoming plans. Let's create a plan for the day. Before creating this new plan, make sure to set the default database template. Click on the blue arrow at the top right to access the database settings. Set the current template as the default. Begin by navigating to the calendar view and click on the plus button located at the top left of the respective date. Provide a name for your plan, and the date will automatically update based on your selection in the calendar view. Click on the Reminder property to set a reminder for your plan. Notion will notify you to ensure you don't forget it. If necessary, depending on the type of your plan, you can also specify an end date and time. If you're not ready to schedule your plan at the moment, you can clear the date. Choose a category from the existing list or create a new one by entering your own. Select from 5 different levels of priority. To conclude, you can add one or more tags to describe your plan, making it easier to find later. Feel free to add a description of your plan to the corresponding section. Return to the Personal Schedule dashboard. As we cleared the date for your new plan, you'll find it in the Unscheduled Plans section. This area holds all your undated plans. To schedule one or more of these plans, just drag them from Unscheduled View to the Calendar view on your desired date. Once scheduled, you'll spot the plan in both the Calendar view and the Calendar List view. Additionally, if the plan is for the day and holds high priority, you'll find it prominently displayed at the top of your dashboard. Feel free to update the status as needed. If you mark the plan as completed, it will automatically be hid from the High Priority Projects section, ensuring a clear and organized view of your accomplishments. Maintaining a clear focus on your objectives is crucial for reaching your goals. You have the flexibility to set daily, weekly, or monthly notes, tailoring them to what's important for you based on your activities. Navigate to the Weekly view to explore the pre-configured block. This process sheet contains general information that you can personalize. Click on the Edit button located on the right. This action will grant you the ability to modify the block, transforming it into your dedicated space to establish the processes necessary for your activities. Feel free to make it your own. A process is a systematic series of actions or steps undertaken to achieve a particular outcome or goal. Processes are designed to organize and structure activities in a logical and efficient manner, guiding individuals or systems through a set of defined steps to produce a desired result. Processes can be found in various aspects of life, not just in business, and they are essential for achieving consistency, effectiveness, and reproducibility in different domains. As a business owner, having a clear path to achieve my goals is paramount. I've chosen to dedicate this template to my freelance activities. Coupled with the ideas box, it provides a solid foundation for starting a project effectively. To take my productivity to the next level, I don't hesitate to link the process or idea box to an existing plan. This way, I can access it seamlessly in any situation, whether it's within the weekly view or on the plan page. Click at the top left to copy it, and then paste it into the desired space. Ensure to choose Paste and Sync for optimal synchronization. When it comes to decluttering your daily, weekly, or monthly view dashboard, feel free to archive old boxes by dragging them to the corresponding archive page. This way, you can easily retrieve them later if necessary. At the monthly view, you'll discover an annual roadmap. This roadmap is structured with a monthly breakdown for each column, providing a straightforward way to establish your milestones and construct a comprehensive plan. Click on the New button to create a milestone. Name your milestone, add a description for your goal, and choose from existing categories. If needed, you can create a new category by typing it in the dedicated slot. Having a clear plan is the compass that turns the random moments of our existence into a purposeful journey. It's the motivational force propelling us forward, infusing our actions with intention. Prioritization becomes second nature as the roadmap guides us to distinguish between fleeting pleasures and enduring fulfillment. This intentional living is a catalyst for personal growth, pushing us to evolve, learn, and become our best selves. The roadmap is not just a guide, it's a time management tool, ensuring that our days are purposefully spent on endeavors that align with our long-term vision. Now, head over to the yearly view, where you'll come across a comprehensive yearly report. Here, you can review each month to assess whether you achieved your objectives or faced challenges. Click on a specific month, and you'll discover a dedicated space to document your feelings about the month, facilitating self-improvement. Having feedback is crucial for identifying areas of improvement and doing better in the future. This space allows you to reflect on your experiences and gain valuable insights for your ongoing personal and professional development. Feel free to make this system truly yours by customizing it as you see fit. Your input is valuable, so I invite you to share any ideas or thoughts you have in the comments section below this video. Looking forward to reading and engaging with your insights. By utilizing Notion's features, you can transform your New Year resolutions into actionable habits and track your progress in a comprehensive and visually engaging manner. The platform's flexibility allows you to tailor your habit tracker to your specific needs, promoting consistency and success in your habit-building journey. Kickstart your journey by defining your daily goals. Whether you choose to retain existing ones or craft your own habits, it's your space to personalize. Just below, you'll discover the Habit Tracker table, designed to help you monitor your progress effortlessly. Before adding a new line, ensure to set the existing template as the default. To create a new line, click on the New button, and the date of the day will automatically appear as the name. Assess each habit column to indicate your success, and watch as the progress bar updates automatically. To set up the 365 Days Habits Challenge, begin by writing the habit that will define your entire year. It could be anything from drinking 3 liters of water, walking 2 miles a day, to sketching a drawing in your sketchbook. Now, effortlessly monitor your progress on this yearly challenge on a daily basis. Maintain a clear overview of your mood with an easy tracking system. Simply click on the plus button to add a new page, and the date will be automatically updated. Your only task is to choose from a selection of 10 different moods, making mood tracking a breeze. A mood tracker is essential for fostering emotional well-being by providing valuable insights into the patterns and fluctuations of one's emotions. By consistently recording and reflecting on moods, individuals gain a deeper understanding of the factors influencing their mental states. This self-awareness enables proactive management of stressors, identification of positive influencers, and the establishment of healthier habits. A mood tracker acts as a tool for emotional regulation, helping individuals make informed decisions to enhance overall mental health and cultivate a more balanced and fulfilling life. As a mood tracker, a gratitude journal is a powerful tool for cultivating a positive mindset and enhancing overall well-being. Regularly noting down things for which you are thankful promotes mindfulness, shifts focus to positive aspects of life, and fosters a sense of appreciation. Notion serves as an excellent platform for maintaining a digital gratitude journal by providing a centralized space for reflection. With its customizable templates, you can create dedicated sections for daily entries, incorporating multimedia elements like images or links to enhance your expressions of gratitude. The platform's organization features and tagging capabilities make it easy to revisit and analyze moments of gratitude over time, allowing for a visual journey of personal growth and positivity.